are proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. We're glad you had a chance to come by and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.